CTE classes are where learning meets the real world, where students prepare for jobs, careers, and hands-on success. But great CTE teaching goes beyond skills drills. It brings industry relevance, strong modeling, and real tools into every lesson. When we teach like it matters on the job, students stay engaged and grow confident. Let's dive in. Height Impact Teaching: How to Teach Engaging CTE Classes. 1. Start with an industry scenario. Begin your lesson with a realistic problem or task that professionals in the field face every day. For example, a medical assisting class could start with a patient's chart, or an IT class could start with a network troubleshooting ticket. This immediately shows students the relevance of the skills they will learn. 2. Model the skill clearly. Before you ask students to practice, provide a clear demonstration of the task. Do not just talk about the skill, show them how to do it correctly and safely, explaining each step. A live demonstration or a high-quality video walkthrough works well here. 3. Provide hands-on practice. The core of a great CTE class is practice. Give students ample time to perform the task themselves, using the tools and equipment they will use on the job. Supervise closely and provide immediate, constructive feedback as they work. 4. Use authentic tools and materials. Whenever possible, use the same equipment, software, and materials that students will find in the workplace. This familiarizes them with industry standards and reduces the learning curve when they get a job. It also adds a layer of authenticity to the classroom. 5. Incorporate workplace communication. Integrate communication skills into your technical lessons. Have students practice writing professional emails, talking with a client or patient, or collaborating with a coworker on a project. Technical skills are not enough, they must also communicate effectively. 6. Encourage problem solving. Move beyond just following a set of instructions. Present students with unexpected challenges or slight variations on a task and have them figure out a solution. This builds critical thinking and resilience, which are essential qualities for any profession. 7. Conclude with a performance review. End the lesson with a formal or informal assessment of student performance. This could be a rubric-based checklist, a peer review, or a one-on-one check-in. This helps students understand their strengths and weaknesses and provides a clear measure of their progress. Following these strategies will help you create a CTE class that is relevant, practical, and highly engaging. A successful CTE lesson for adults focuses on hands-on application, real-world scenarios, and building the complete skill set needed for a successful career. Please share this video in your network. And don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. The CBL Team. Your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.